You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A feminine given name from Italian, originally used in medieval and Renaissance Italy. The King Arthur's queen as well in English. For reference, in Italian it is said as Ginevra, Ginevra. But in English it's normally pronounced as, rather similarly to Italian, Ginevra, Ginevra. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.